Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start now by mounting the Nextbase where it sees the road without blocking your view. You fit the bracket, press adhesive for 10 seconds, and align the lens to the center of the lane so horizons are level. Once done, plug the supplied USB cable into the cigarette adapter or use the hardwire kit to the fuse box. This gives parking mode power. Make sure to route the cable under trim for safety. This prevents snagging and maintains clean recordings, which is why correct placement matters. Now configure the Nextbase so it records when and how you need. Insert a high-endurance micro SD, format it in camera to avoid errors, then select resolution and frame rate. Higher settings give detail, but use more space. Next, enable parking mode and adjust sensitivity to avoid false events from wind or passing trucks. Turn on GPS to stamp location and Wi-Fi for quick file transfers. Finally, connect the Nextbase app and check for firmware updates so you have the latest stability and features. Finish by testing the whole system on a short drive. Verify video, GPS stamps, and audio playback through the app or on your computer. Practice pressing the emergency button so you know how clips lock during an incident. Loop recording will overwrite old files but keeps locked segments. If something goes wrong, reformat the micro SD in the camera, confirm firmware is current, and reset power connections. These fixes solve most faults. If problems persist, export logs and contact support for guided diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.